I can't find a single quiet spot to cut the voiceover for this intro, so I've been vanquished outside. A man without a home as it's being reorganized. Just wandering the streets looking for a quiet nook. It's not happening. Nomad, vagabond, call me what you will. I call this a 1953 Fender Champ. This is the 5C3 circuit. It needs more overdriving grit. The owner states it's just not driving the way it should. Well, let's see if we can fix that. Thanks for joining. Welcome back, guys. This is a 1953 Fender Champ 5C1 circuit. If I'm not mistaken, I can verify that for you shortly. I have serviced this one in the past. The owner recently contacted me stating that it's just not developing the drive that he believes it should and that he wants it to. So, well, let's see if we can remedy that. We're going to go ahead and get this chassis out of the cabinet and see what's going on. Bye. Boy, that's just in great shape. Let's look at that. Look at that. What are you going to do? All right, so I tweaked the bias a bit just to help drive. I did some experimentations with the screen resistance there, or the screen node supply, to no avail. I mean, really, what's going to happen? Well, the biasing would have to be done like the more conventional way as they do in a 12AX7 or other 9-pin tube. So, but that changes the circuit entirely. So I've gotten as much gain as I can get out of this guy. I'll give you a sample.